Hello friends, welcome to Pandit Invest. Today I will discuss about the other stock about SpiceJet Limited. You already aware about it, and due to COVID-19, the SpiceJet and most of the almost international flight is suspended till July 15th. So Indigo and SpiceJet get affected due to COVID case 2019. So let we for from the investment point of view, where should we buy this stock, at what point, and what will be the target in SpiceJet with the help of simple technical analysis. So friends, this is the weekly chart of SpiceJet, and I have drawn the trend line. So it's just like a triangle formations and looking just like a shark kind of shark. So this is the weekly chart, and in the trend line is make a double dozy in the candlestick formations. So and it support trend line is near about 46. If I mark this price level, then you can see 45 around is the support of the trend line, and breakout point of this trend line is near 73 or 75 levels. So you can acquire this stock with stop loss at 40 whenever you will get near 45, and the target, if this price break above this candle, that is candle high is 61. So if sustain or close above 61, we will get the target around 73, and whenever it close above 73 or 75, we will see a breakout for the above level, and it will be a multi-bagger stock in the coming month. The almost the high made, it was 157 in the year 2019 of June, and the low made on March 2020 was 30 rupees 80 paisa. From there it went up to 61, already doubled, and now it's just going for retracement. So if holding 45, then we can see maximum 73. From RSI point of view, this is the weekly RSI, and you can see it's already V-shaped has formed, and it's just a flattish formation has made. So either it can go down or it go up. So from this is the MACD, weekly MACD, and already in a positive divergence and given a buy signal. But from the viewpoint of monthly chart, buy signal has not made in MACD. You can see is going to be turned up maybe in next month. So good to hold, and you will get the good result in next coming 2 or 3 months in SpiceJet. And you can see the monthly RSI is already turned up and showing a positive diversion. So it is a good stock and accumulate at low level, but for short time you should exit the stock if close below 45, 2 closing sessions, and if hold these levels, then you buy this stock with stop of 40, and a target if cross 61, you will get the target 73 to 75, and if close above 75, then it will be upper sky, and it will can hit the recent high 156 in the coming month or year. So this is the analysis for SpiceJet. If you want to get another multi-bagger stocks, then subscribe or WhatsApp me for the paid subscribers. This is the WhatsApp number, and this is the website address. So please like the channel and please subscribe channel. Those who are new viewers, kindly press the bell notifications, and you can get all the update in your inbox. Thank you for watching it.